Well, here's a recap of all of our wonderful variance formulas. Take it in. Just, gosh, it's beautiful. Yeah, it's a good time. Again, I am very much in favor of this section. I think it's great. It may have seemed dry to you, but once you start running through some questions, you're going to realize, wow, that guy Nick was right. This is going to be a lot of free points in the exam because I memorized a lot of the formulas. I'm just knocking out questions one after another, and I'm going to do well in the BEC exam. Let's finish this out.
Quite enjoyable. I would say it's really simple. You do the hard work up front, and then you don't have to worry about it. The hard work of memorizing, once you do that, you are set and ready to go. So, simply put, in summary, memorize all the variance formulas presented, and then practice multiple choice questions on them after you memorize them. Bart Simpson this, or you just write it over and over and over. There you go. You'll memorize these and have them down. 3 points on the exam. Could be a sim on this where they just give you 6 or 7 variances. You have to answer them all. Could be a bunch of multiple choice questions. Either way, you'll be ready for it. Get those 3 points and do well. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.
Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.